Alright, cool. So, I guess I'm going to be going over how to get weather data today. And it's kind of motivated by Dark Sky getting bought by Apple, and they're shutting down the Android app. And Dark Sky was my favorite app for weather data. It's like up to the day, up to the hour, maybe even up to the minute rain data. And sadly, that's going away. But then, when looking for alternatives, I found that the National Weather Service actually has an API that looks pretty decent. So I figured I'd try and see if I can make my own app pulling this data. There are some caveats here. I think somewhere in here it says that it's actually not really supported. Oh yeah. The only endpoint that's operational supposedly is alerts, but I guess we'll find out and see if there's any data. So cool. First things first, let's kind of figure out how to get this. So apparently all of the data is actually aligned to National Weather Service offices. And I don't know where my nearest one is, for instance. So we'll have to figure out my latitude and longitude and use this API to find the grid endpoint in this forecast property. But let's see. Let's find latitude longitude of like San Francisco. Well, that was easy. Alright. I'm going to use this tool called HTTP just for convenience. Let's see. Latitude. I wonder how precise this needs to be. Latitude, longitude. Does that work? Data unavailable for requested point. This might be dead in the water. Problem / invalid point is not a valid resource path. Alright, good start. I wonder if maybe, I don't know how much precision you need in these. Is that even a valid URL? Go back. I mean, it looks right from their example. Does their example work? That probably would have been a good idea. Alright, so I guess we'll work with this, hoping that that continues to have data. Alright, what did we get back? Nothing too interesting up here. It's GeoJSON. It's a pretty quick response. Okay. I feel like we got the linked data stuff. Is it GeoJSON plus linked data? Or are those the same and I'm crazy? Oh, I didn't want to do that. So I guess we got back Lynn, Kansas. And then this is how we figure out the forecast. And someday I'll stop pasting. How did I not copy? Oh, forecast hourly, that sounds even better. Forecast hourly. Oh boy. Well, we got a lot of info. Scrolling off my screen even. Alright. 4-9. Oh, that's pretty far out. Icons. Oh, is this like an actual icon? It is. Look at that. Is daytime. I mean, is that daytime? Oh, 7. Okay. Don't know what number means. Temperature unit, Fahrenheit. All right. So we got like hour by hour. Is number just like the result number? 155, 154. Yeah, seems that way. Cool. I mean, that was a lot easier than I was expecting. I don't know what else to do. So now we have our hour by hour forecast. Let's look at some of the other options. Forecast. WFO. What did we send? Top. Good points / TOP. Oh, is it like Topeka? WFO. Man. Weather field office, I guess, but I kind of thought the coordinates were just all we needed for that. Then, you know, I hate when people don't put the response as an example here, unless I'm just looking at this wrong. But we can use their little thing here to recreate our request. 3180. I wonder, let's go here. Oh, okay. TBD, I guess, there. Is the sound working? No. You know, nice JSON errors, though. Type polygon. So GeoJSON's like representing points and stuff, but it's kind of weird. So I don't really care about the coordinates so much since I already said which coordinates I cared about. Although I wonder what these correspond to. Properties. Well, this is like standard. Cool. So what did I just do? This was the forecast. So what? So we did hourly first, but what does this one return? Start time. Oh, it's like 4 hours, I guess. It's gonna be 60 in Kansas. Do we get a nice icon here as well? Same icon. Ah, that was easy. Night, day. Well, night, day. Mostly sunny. Name tonight. This afternoon. I guess we don't get, or did I scroll too far? No, I guess we don't get past things with this ever. Not that you'd really need that, I suppose. Oh, okay. Tonight, or like this afternoon, tonight, Monday. Monday night, Tuesday, Tuesday night. Alright. Can I change the response type here? No. Forecast hourly. Oh, okay. Icons. What's the set? Icons, land. Okay. What are the other? What's other than land? Like ocean. Icons. Let's get some back. Wind, snow. What is this returning? Because I don't see land in here. Or night and day. Oh, BKN is what we had over here. Is there a BKN here? Yeah, okay, mostly cloudy. So if we did this with few, we should get a few clouds. Let's do the day one. All right. What about overcast? OVC. Cool. So that seems doable then for an app. Definitely concerned about the data, I suppose. Let me see if I can, if maybe it's like, you know, maybe it literally only works for this. All of the examples seem to be Kansas. Oh, I never turned on the webcam. Directs are internally to the root. Alerts with the, oh, okay. Let's see. Do I not have audio? Oh boy. Oh, okay. Never mind. Let's find a different latitude and longitude, I guess. Maybe somewhere in Kansas. Kansas City latitude. Is that different? 39.7456. 39. Yeah, it's a little different. Again. Zero 997 94. Yeah, all right. So this seems pretty useless. Oh, there's also let's try Chicago just for fun. 41.871, comma 87.6298. Yeah, all right. Well, glad I validated this before trying to make an app, but I'll have to find a different weather API. It's unfortunate that Dark Sky API is also getting shut down because theirs was super nice and it aggregated across multiple things. But I think that's it for now. I'll have to go research some weather APIs. I was hoping to use the government one. That seemed straight to the source, but oh well.